Paycove's customization abilities are some of the best ways to give your customers a nice little personal touch of your company. We understand that you're representing your business, and we want to help make sure we provide the necessary tools that allow you to do so. With Paycove, you can automatically send emails to your customers when a quote or invoice is created, and also send payment reminders after a certain number of days. Although the emails are sent from Paycove, you're able to customize the messages you'd like to send your customer. To start configuring your emails, open your settings in Paycove and click Email. Under Email Address Settings, you can change the name that the email is sent from, and you can even choose to CC the deal's owner. If there's someone on your team you want to receive these emails for your records, you can choose a CC recipient. All of these emails will be sent from noreply@paycove.io. If you'd like to use your own email domain, reach out to us in our chat support to get that set up. Typically, the first email your customer will receive is when a new quote is available to view. The email will attach a link to the quote for the customer to either accept or decline. If you scroll down to Quote Template, you'll see you can edit the subject line of the email and type in your personalized message in the body. You can even add template variables on the email, which you can find readily available under Personalize. The customer will be prompted to open the quote with a link that has a customizable label. Lastly, you'll be able to add a closing statement to your email under the email signature and add a custom footer for the email. Once you think you have that email set up the way you'd like, you can save the template and send yourself a test email to see what it will look like to your customer. You have the ability to edit these same fields for emails when an invoice is created and when sending reminder emails for unpaid invoices. If you scroll back up to the top, you can configure these email reminder settings by choosing the number of business days after the invoice was sent and toggling them on or off. If you wouldn't like to automatically email quotes and invoices to your customers when triggered from your CRM, you can turn it off up here. If you decided to turn it off, you will have to manually send these emails from the invoice management view. The last thing you can do from your email settings is customize your customer receipt email. Again, all the same fields as the quote and invoice emails are available to edit. That's all for this video today. If you have any other questions regarding emails, make sure to reach out to us in our chat support. Thanks for watching.